If you need to give someone access to a file or folder in OneDrive, this quick guide will walk you through the exact steps. Whether you're sharing work documents, family photos, or a project folder, OneDrive makes it easy to control who can view or edit your files. And the best part is, you can do it in just a few clicks. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Microsoft OneDrive in your browser. You can go directly to OneDrive and sign in with your Microsoft account. Once you're logged in, take a moment to find the file or folder you want to share. This could be a single document, a spreadsheet, a photo album, or an entire folder that contains multiple files. OneDrive gives you full control over what you share, so choose the item carefully before sending access. After you've selected the file or folder, look for the Share option. This is usually near the top of the page or in the File toolbar. Click Share, and OneDrive will open the sharing settings for that item. This is where you decide exactly who gets access and what they're allowed to do. Next, choose Specific People. This is the most secure option if you only want one person or a small group to access the file. Using Specific People helps prevent accidental sharing with the wrong users, and it gives you more control than public or anyone with link sharing options. If OneDrive asks you to click Apply, go ahead and do that before continuing. Now, enter the person's email address. Make sure the email is correct because OneDrive will send the access invitation directly to that address. If you're sharing with more than one person, you can add multiple email addresses depending on your setup. Take your time here because the email address is what determines who can open the shared file or folder. After entering the email, you'll need to choose the permission level. If you want the person to only open and read the file, select Can View. If you want them to make changes, upload content, or collaborate on the file, choose Can Edit. This step is important because it controls exactly what the other person can do once they receive access. Once everything looks correct, click Send. OneDrive will then send an email invitation to that person, and they'll be able to open the file or folder directly from their inbox. If they're already signed into the correct Microsoft account, the process is usually very smooth and fast. If you ever want to check or change access later, you can return to the same share settings and update permissions anytime. That means you can remove access, switch someone from edit to view only, or add more people whenever needed. This makes OneDrive a great option for sharing while still staying in control. And that's it. You now know how to give someone access to OneDrive the simple way. If you found this useful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.